quality of all that stuff, it's so bad. As you see, I remove already airbox, of course. I'm an expert in that already. So this is the connector, and if I have this connector connected and I turn on the ignition, it's draining the battery. If I disconnect it, it's not draining the battery. Focus. So I will look into that. So now I will try to unscrew the alternator. As you see, it's below the carburetors, and I'm hoping I can actually get it done without removing carburetors. Even though I'm almost an expert in removing carburetors, so I think I will need to get this cover off, probably. Yeah, we'll see. I removed these screws, these bolts from the front sprocket cover, and I just kind of lean it back, and that was enough to take alternator out. There are some people which says you need to remove the carburetors, and I'm the living proof that it's not true. So you kind of remove it that way, lift it up and guide it out. That's the guy. I assume it's broken, something is wrong, so I will clean it a little bit more, test it, and lucky I know where to find a replacement. Yeah, it's good. Old one, new one. So, any obvious differences? Number is the same. This one looks a little bit worse, really. But there is the sticker is. Maybe this broken sticker means that it's not working really. We'll see. So as you see, I have a second alternator, and I'm not that sure anymore about all this alternator thing, because I actually put it on, and I put the old one on and put the new one on without putting it in the engine, just connect it and try to turn it on and off, and it kind of didn't change anything. But it can be because the housing was not really grounded to the frame. Maybe there is like a short to the housing here, and that's why it's draining. So it will not show when the alternator is just laying next to the bike. So I will install the new old alternator, and we see how it goes there. So what is happening when I'm starting, I'm closing the circuit to the starter motor, and it's instantly draining so much power that the voltage on the battery drops below a voltage for this relay, and the relay close. And when it's close, it's detached the starter motor, so there is a voltage back on because there is no load, and it starts to opening, and that's why it's this clicking noise. So today we have done some shopping, and I get myself a new battery. So I think the whole problem is in the battery, so we will test another battery, and I already start the procedure of sending the other battery back to shop. So we'll see. I will just put it quickly in, and then we'll see how it starts. Just to make sure, I will open it and I will immediately measure the voltage. What do we have? 12.7, nice. And that's the old one. Let's see what the old one will show now after it's 2 days on the charger. 13.5. Yeah, it's good. We'll see. Okay, I think I will put the old one in just to have a final check, and we'll see. So we give it a try with the old battery. Nothing. It seems like there's just not enough starting power in this. That's the old battery. There's no specification of the starting power. And that's the new battery. You can see there is like 170 ampere starting power. Battery 24 DE. Let's see. I think the problem was that I didn't screw on the cover of the clutch. I don't know how big this damage, if I done some damage. Anyway, let's try again. I start running out of fuel, so a bit better clamp and tied together. It's now pretty okay. I mean, it's not leaking, so I guess it's okay, but in general these things they are cheap as chips. I mean, screwing this on is really hard because this thread here is very, very bad casting. I don't know, it's injection, whatever. This small piece of pipe on which you slide this hose, extra thin and extra easy to break when you are screwing it. You need to really hold on this clamp and then you can tighten it. Just the quality of all that stuff, it's so bad. It's terrible. Anyway, let's go on. So folks, I'm happy and I'm angry because I'm angry on me because I try to save some money and I buy some just crap battery. I should know better. Could save me a good week to get the bike on the street. I still don't know what is coming in when I go for the inspection and stuff. So I don't think there's everything alright, but everything can happen. But I'm happy it's starting. It makes some strange noises sometimes. We'll probably need to iron this out. There are some drops of fuel under the carburetors. I need to see what is that about, and I will take the airbox again off, tie some cables, and then put the tongue on and start to put everything on the motorbike, and then probably organize some trailer and tow it to the inspection. So I have it a little bit put it together. At least the right side. I think now it's time for put the tongue on. So I will need to cut the fuel lines to the right length and put them on the petcock. And then I can first put this left side on because I think because of the petcock actually. Okay, so I was recording everything in a time lapse. It's so silly. So I removed the petrol with the oil from the tank, put the tank back on, adjust the length of the fuel lines and attach them to the petcock. Now I'm playing a little bit around with this clutch cable here. I don't know really how it's supposed to be guided. I think I like as it is here. It's alright. The fuel lines are attached, the clamps are on. I think I just lost one of the bushings here. These bushings are in terrible state. It's just terrible. All bushings are terrible. If you know the website where I can buy some Suzuki original bushings or equivalent, just give me a tip. I would love to buy original stuff. I don't know what is happening with this focus. Terrible. So we have, this is a position which should be priming. Hey guys, big day today. We are going for the inspection.
going